Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something brand new and really exciting, how to create full color professional quality results using DTF transfers. This video is sponsored by Cricut. If you've ever wanted detailed designs without weeding or needing a special printer, you are going to love this. I'll take you step by step through the entire process, from uploading your design in Cricut Design Space, to ordering the transfer, to pressing it with the Cricut Easy Press, and revealing the final result. This process is simple, fast, and beginner friendly, and I can't wait to show you how it works. First, let's talk about what Cricut DTF transfers are. DTF stands for direct to film. Instead of cutting and weeding vinyl or needing a special printer at home, Cricut prints your design on ready-to-press transfers for you. All you do is upload your image into Cricut Design Space, place your order, and it ships straight to your door in a few days. Let me show you exactly how it works. Open up Cricut Design Space, then click on Direct to Film. On this screen, you'll pick your DTF transfer size. I'm going to select women's shirt. Then you can click on this drop down and choose the size. I'm putting this on a size small shirt, but I like my DTF size to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to do 9x9. I'll hit create. It gives you instructions on here, which is really nice. You can scroll through and look through that. I'll just hit the X button now. This is what it'll look like in the canvas. I'm going to upload my image. I'll just hit the plus button, then view. It'll pull it into the canvas the exact size that you need. You can see it says 9x9, so there's nothing else I need to do here. It shows you a little preview. If you click the X, you can go to the layers panel and see it like normal. I'll click add to cart, continue. It'll take you to the checkout screen in Cricut, then hit checkout. You'll want to sign in. Then it'll take you through the shipping and payment section so you can make your purchase. Now that the transfer has arrived, it's time for the fun part, pressing it onto the shirt. One of the best things about Cricut DTF is how simple and foolproof the process is. You don't have to guess any settings because Cricut gives you the exact time and temperature through the Cricut heat guide. I'm using my Cricut Easy Press and the recommended settings from the heat guide to make sure I get perfect professional results every time. Let me show you how easy this really is. Once the Easy Press is heated to the correct setting, I preheat my shirt for 5 seconds. I place the transfer on my shirt. Then I apply firm, even pressure and let the Easy Press do the work. Once the transfer is pressed and peeled, you get vibrant, professional quality designs that look and feel amazing. Cricut DTF lets you create full color, photo quality images with gradients, tiny details, and unlimited colors. These transfers work on virtually any fabric or color. You can personalize almost anything. The finished design feels soft and flexible, it stretches naturally with the fabric, and it's made to last up to 75 washes without cracking, peeling, or fading. This makes Cricut DTF such a game changer for both everyday crafting and large batch projects. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly recap everything I used for this project so you can see how simple the setup really is. For this shirt, I used Cricut Design Space to upload and order my transfer, a Cricut DTF transfer, the Cricut Easy Press, and the Cricut Heat Guide for exact time and temperature settings. This is such an easy and straightforward process. I hope this video showed you just how easy Cricut DTF transfers really are, from uploading your design to ordering to pressing and revealing the final shirt. The whole process is simple, fast, and beginner friendly. If you want to try Cricut DTF transfers for yourself, you can order them directly inside Cricut Design Space. Use code DTF20 for 20% off with free shipping in March. I'll have everything linked below, including Cricut's YouTube channel and the Cricut Heat Guide, so you'll have all the resources you need to get started. As always, thank you so much for watching, and a big thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video.